using Blue Cherry since fall of 2010. We were having to go through an EDI middleman. We depended upon them to bring all of our EDI transactions to us, and now we can go out and service all of our EDI transactions ourselves, so we don't have to wait and lose that ship window time. And it's been very easy to learn, and I have all the data I need at my fingertips as far as if I have product in stock, what I need to ship out. I'm able to handle my own EDI transactions instead of depending on a third-party EDI company, which has been very helpful. I like that it's very scalable to your needs at the time. You can always add more modules. You can grow into it and grow with it, and you're very confident that you're not going to outgrow the solution. The Blue Cherry community has been very helpful to me. I can get on LinkedIn and use the Blue Cherry user group and discuss, different ideas and solutions with other users, and then all of the conferences that we have, everybody's always very friendly and willing to reach out and share best practices.